Experiencing a black screen, no audio, or system unresponsiveness in your Renault Captur's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware faults, or outdated firmware. Start by performing a soft reset via the menu options. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Check your Capture's build year. Newer models, post-2020, benefit from over-the-air OTA updates that address common bugs in the EasyLink system. For older models, ensure your firmware is up to date by checking Renault's official app or website. Check physical connections and fuses. Consider clearing the system cache. If basic resets and updates don't resolve the issue, the problem might be deeper. Consider dealer diagnostics, especially for pre-2020 models without recent patches. Be wary of third-party repair kits, as they can void warranties. Understand the shift towards software-centric fixes, with Renault increasingly using OTA updates to prevent issues. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics may reduce black screen incidents in newer models. Keep in mind, older models are approaching digital obsolescence. For persistent problems, professional diagnostics are recommended, as repeated resets can degrade the system. Regular software management and awareness of firmware versions are key to maintaining a stable infotainment experience.